How to post picture and video on Instagram. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll be showing the ways to post pictures and video on Instagram. So in order to post picture and video on Instagram, all you have to do is make sure that you already have an Instagram account. Also check your internet connection. So then to begin with, log into your Instagram account. In order to upload a video, tap the profile icon, and after that you can just go ahead and tap the plus from the top or from the bottom, whichever convenient for you. Now what you'll need to do is you'll need to go ahead and select the images that you wish to add it as a post and the videos that you wish to add it as a post. Now for example, I'm just gonna go with this particular video. If you want to add multiple videos, then tap the square icon located in the bottom, and after that you can just go ahead and select multiple photos. And if you also want to add a video, then select the video as well. There will be no differences. So all you have to do is just go ahead and select the video that you wish to add it. So let me just go ahead and select the particular video. Now let's go with this one. So as you can see, this is the particular video. Tap the next button. Now you can just go ahead and edit the frame size, whatever you want. If you think that you want to remove the video, then all you have to do is long press on it, tap the bin icon. Once you've done that, tap the next button. After that, it's going to take you to the other interface where you'll be asked to provide in or write in a caption, add a location, tag people, and whatsoever. Once you've done that, tap the share button. As soon as you do that, and the particular photo or the video will be added. In this way, you can post picture and video on Instagram. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.